But on the physical level, we know that oxygen is essential for our metabolism, that every cell in the body relies on oxygen as a way to function, as a way to produce energy. And through the circulatory system, the release of waste products called carbon dioxide. So we rely on the breath as a form of keeping us alive and allowing our cells to function in a healthy way. So pranayama oxygenates the blood by speeding up the respiratory process and by enabling us to take in much more than the normal amount of air. When actually measured, it's said that a really complete, thorough inhalation can bring in as much as 7 times than the normal shallow inhalation. So it has that capacity to increase our ability to bring in oxygen by 7 times. We also know that the breath is normally involuntary. In our day-to-day lives, we don't tend to think about breathing. We don't tell ourselves, okay, it's now it's time to take another breath. It happens on its own. It's part of the involuntary or autonomic nervous system function. But it's the one part of the autonomic nervous system, involuntary system, that can easily be made voluntary. So it gives us a doorway into the functions within us that are normally involuntary, such as the functioning of the digestive system, even the functioning of the heart. Through the practice of breathing, we exert control over the motion of the lungs. Through exertion of control over the motion of the lungs, we begin to regulate the vagus nerve, one of the primary sympathetic nerves. And through the regulation of the sympathetic nervous system, we influence and regulate the heartbeat, the digestion, the function of the immune system to some degree. So through this doorway of what's normally involuntary, made voluntary, we have this very strong influence over the whole system. In particular, the ability to relax, to calm the nervous system. By deep breathing, we send a message to the whole rest of the body that it's okay to calm down and slow down. You could say that deep breathing is the easiest, simplest, most portable method of stress management. So you can interrupt the stress response easily and create an alternate mode of operating called relaxation response simply by slow, deep breathing. So on physical level, it has tremendous benefits. It helps us be alert, awake, alive, and energized.